Welcome or welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. I am Ayushi Jain and today's video is all about a very interesting topic, which is types of doctors and what they do. In this video we are going to discuss about the different types of doctors and their relative fields. So without further ado, let's get straight into the first type of doctors is allergists and immunologists. They are the doctors which treats various types of allergies such as food allergies, eczema, asthma, etc. and autoimmune diseases. The next word is, or next type of doctor is anesthesiologists. Anesthesiologists are the doctors who monitors you while you are under anesthesia. Anesthesia is a type of drug that numbs your pain while you are under surgery or any kind of operational procedure. The next type of doctor is cardiologists. Cardiologists are the well-known kind of doctors which we might often seen. They are the doctors which treats the problems related to heart and blood vessels, or they treats your cardiovascular system. Next type of doctors is colon and rectal surgeons. They are the type of doctors which treats your small intestine or colon related diseases. They treats the different types of diseases or surgeries which is related to your colon or rectus system. The next kind of doctor is dermatologists. Dermatologists are the doctors which treats the problems related to skin, hair and nails. They treats the problem related to moles, scars and various nail and hair related diseases. The next type of doctor is endocrinologists. Endocrinologists are the doctor which are experts in hormones and metabolism. They treats the diseases like thyroid, diabetes, infertility and diseases related to various hormones. So the next kind of doctor is gastroenterologists. Gastroenterologists are the doctor which are experts in your digestive systems, including stomach, bowel, pancreas, gallbladder, liver, etc. You might go to them for your stomach pain, like ulcers, abdominal pain, diarrhea and jaundice related diseases, and also for colon related diseases. They do colonoscopy and also cure colon cancer. So the next kind of doctor is hematologists. Hematologists are the doctors which are experts in various diseases related to blood, spleen and lymph glands, such as sickle cell diseases, anemia, leukemia, hemophilia, etc. The next kind of doctor is infectious disease specialists. They are the doctors which cure many infectious kind of diseases such as tuberculosis, fevers, HIV and AIDS, etc. The next field of doctor is medical geneticists. They are the kind of doctors which often cure of diseases which are generally related to your genetics or genes. The next kind of doctor is nephrologists. Nephrologists are the doctors which cure the diseases related to kidney. The next kind of doctor is neurologists. They are the specialists in nervous system. They cure the diseases related to your brain, spinal cord and nerves. They cure diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, brain and spinal tumors, etc. The next kind of doctor is obstetricians or gynecologists. Obstetricians or gynecologists, they are the specialist doctors which cure the diseases related to women's health, women's reproductive system, childbirth. Next kind of doctor is oncologists. Oncologists are the doctors which are specialists in cancer, and they do chemotherapies, and various treatment related to cancer. So, the next kind of doctor is ophthalmologists. Ophthalmologists are the doctors which mainly focuses on your eye related problems, or you can call them as eye doctor. The next type of doctor is osteopaths. Osteopaths are the doctors just like MDs, and they do the whole body checkup. The next kind of doctor is otolaryngologists. They are the doctors which treats the problems related to ears, nose, throat, sinuses, neck and head, and respiratory system. They also do surgeries, plastic surgeries related to neck and head. Next kind of doctor is pathologists. Pathologists are the doctors which examines the body tissues and fluids under microscope. The next kind of doctor is pediatricians. Pediatricians are the doctors which takes care of children from birth to young adulthood. The next kind of doctor is plastic surgeon. You can also call them as cosmetic surgeons. They are the doctors which repairs and rebuild your skin, face and other parts of body. Are the doctors which takes care of problems related to feet and ankle. The next kind of doctor is psychiatrist. Psychiatrists are the doctors which takes care of your mental, emotional and addictive disorder related problems. They often helps you during your depression, schizophrenia and various diseases related to anxiety. They focuses on young adults and elderly people. The next kind of doctor is pulmonologists. Pulmonologists are the doctors which treats the problems related to lung, such as pneumonia, uh, emphysema, asthma and various diseases related to breathing. The next kind of doctor is radiologists. Radiologists are the doctors which might do x-rays, ultrasounds and various cure related to radiology, and they are also experts in radiation oncology. The next kind of doctor or next type of doctor is rheumatologists. Rheumatologists are the doctors which are the specialized in arthritis and diseases related to your joints, muscles, etc. The next kind of doctor is general surgeons. General surgeons are the doctors which can operate all parts of your body. The next type of doctor is urologists. Urologists are the doctors which takes care of your urinary tract and bladder related diseases. That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your beautiful comments down below, and don't forget to share this video to all, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.